Great day everyone! Today, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of my DIY laser printing machine. So first thing to do is to prepare our tools and materials needed in our machine. For the tools we have scissors, pencil, and lighter. In the materials we have cardboard, glue stick, glue, bond paper, and a cocoa powder. So tara! So this is the input section, the process section, and the output section. So here in our input sections, we need a blank bond paper, and this blank bond paper will pass through the input section. And then this pencil will serve as our laser beam. This is the photoreceptor drum. The toner cartridge is a cocoa powder, and the heat roller press. So this output section will pass through the outcome. So first thing to do is to prepare our stencil. So we need the cardboard and a pencil, and then we have this rubber mat already. We need a scissor to cut out. So we carefully cutting out this letter I. So take note, we need to use this scissor properly so to avoid uncertain accidents. So as you can see, I already cut out the letter I from the cardboard. So next we need to have a stick glue and a lighter. The purpose of this lighter and stick glue so that the cut out letter I will stick to the photoreceptor drum. So next we need to have a glue. Then we will put the glue into the letter I here in our photoreceptor drum. Then after putting the glue, the blank paper will pass through here in the photoreceptor drum so that the glue will stick to the bond paper. And then after that, the glued bond paper will proceed to the toner cartridge. The purpose of this toner cartridge so that the cocoa powder will stick to the glued area here in the bond paper. cocoa powder will stick to the glued bond paper area so that it will create the image. Then after putting the powder, it will pass through the heat rolling press so that the powdered ink will stick permanently to the bond paper. Then after that, it will pass through the output section. So here's the final outcome. Next, we need to try the heart shape. So we used the rubber mat already shaped as heart so that it so this will be our guide. Then after tracing it, we need to cut this shape heart.
Dapat ang rubber ang salita. Terus ang rubber salita. Hindi ko try. Ang rubber ako is not hindi patapit. Go.
The same process earlier, we need to have a lighter and a stick glue so that this shape heart will stick to the photoreceptor drum. So next we need to put a glue here in our heart shape. So put the glue evenly. So the blank bond paper will pass through the input section. So this blank bond paper will serve as our stencil so that the glued area here in our heart shape will stick to the bond paper. Then after that, it will proceed to the toner cartridge, which is applying the powder. Now, let's put the cocoa powder in a glued area. After putting it, we need to remove the excess powder. After removing it, it will pass through the heat rolling press. So this will make the powdered ink will stick to the bond paper permanently. Then here is the final outcome.